Hello, my name is Peter Bentley, and earlier this year I took part in the Shropshire Book Fest Readers to Writers project. This project aims to support teachers in the classroom to help children with their creative writing skills. And the project culminates in the Shropshire Book Fest Creative Writing Competition, and every child in the project has the chance to submit their work to this competition. So as part of the scheme, I went to a number of primary schools and we had some incredibly fun workshops, and I met some incredibly talented and creative children. And I hope that the work we did together helped inspire them to write their stories and to carry on writing in the future. Anyway, one of the schools I was lucky enough to visit was Hinstock Primary School. And I'm very thrilled to learn that Darcie Mitchell has won third place in the Shropshire Book Fest Creative Writing Competition for her story, Rosie and the Lost Friends. Well done, Darcie. This is an absolutely stunning achievement. You won in the Key Stage 1 category, and I can tell you that there were over 340 entries for this category. So to be in the top 3 is truly amazing. So well done. And of course, it now means that you are officially an award-winning author. So bravo. And I hope you will carry on writing and carry on enjoying it. So congratulations again, Darcie. Well done and happy writing.
And third place in Key Stage 1. Well done to Darcie Mitchell. I am ready to party because this story is called Rosie and the Lost Friends. Once there was a sparkly rainbow unicorn called Rosie. She liked to have parties. She liked to have adventures. She lives with her mum, dad and little sister. They live in a sparkly, happy castle. Every day, Rosie likes to have parties with all of her friends, and the parties never end. At bedtime, one dark, gloomy night, Rosie's mum and dad tucked her in tight. They said, "Don't you peep." And then Rosie went straight to sleep. When Rosie woke up from dozing, she went to the party, but there was no one there. Then, because there was no one at the party, Rosie packed her bags and set off to find some new friends. So she goes to the jungle and sees a little monkey, tiger and a jaguar, and asks, "Do you like to party every day?" And they said, "Yes." Then Rosie went to the sea and asked a dolphin and a fish the same thing, and they said yes as well. Then Rosie went to the Antarctic and found a penguin, and then asked her if she likes to play games at parties every day, and she said yes. When everyone got to Unicorn Land, the penguin, called Pingo, asked, "Can I be the game manager?" And Rosie said yes. Then the tiger asked, "Can I be the DJ?" And Rosie said yes. And then they partied forever. That was Rosie and the Lost Friends by Darcie Mitchell. Fab, Darcie.